In today's video guys, I will be talking about the new play to earn game in Kardiachain wherein you can play soon on Android, on iOS, and even on PC soon, and it is called Kripto Galaxy Battle. And if you are interested into this content, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so again, Crypto Galaxy Battle is a play to earn tactical game. So based into their AMA, there will be this is an idle gaming. So idle gaming is more like you won't actually waste a lot of time. You can play it steadily. There will also be a yield farming where you will be able to get Kaba tokens when you are staking it, because yield farming is more like a staking. There will also be an auto battle, which is really good. There's also a multiple players and a ranking system, which of course I think they are involving a PvP style of a game. So let's just go forward into the gameplay. They do also have a trailer on YouTube. So this is it. So this has been created by Cyforce Game Studio. And what I actually like into this trailer is that if you're going to look forward here, you see this? This is entirely a, what do you call that? A mining, or more like a play to earn game that is really enjoyable. It takes me back into the games wherein I'm just going to boost something and then it will level up and I will be able to get more into that part. And this is actually good. And let's talk first on the NFTs inside the game. So NFTs inside the game, you will be able to sell it into the marketplace for you to be able to make money. And in my case, I would prefer to keep all of this NFTs and then just sell like the duplicate parts of it, because they have a stats over here. So this stats is a very valuable. And assuming that the rarer NFT that you will be able to get, that's the better profitability that you will also get into that kind of NFT. So this is pretty much how their NFTs work. You will be able to sell it for you to be able to make money. And as you can see here, planets are a lot more expensive than the others, I guess. So this is the roadmap in Crypto Battle. So into the Q3, they are introducing the game. This Q4, they are having a web platform. They're also having a limited NFT, planet and item sale. They will also be able, there will be a play to earn feature where you will be able to mine and also get a gem and token. So into this Q4, you will be able to earn one of the play to earn features via mining the gem and the token in Crypto Battle. So into the Q1 2022, there will also be a limited NFT sale, and the upcoming play to earn features like campaign mode, like daily quests, and like ranking will be also available in Q1 2022. So if you're familiar, or if you want to know more about when the game will be released into the mobile platforms, then it will be coming on Q2 2022, and also other play to earn features will be available in Q2, which includes Galaxy Battle and also community event, which is Galaxy Pool Reward. So in that time as well, you will be able to sell your NFTs, because marketplace will be open sale by event. So I'm not sure if this is more like, this is different, right? So this one is marketplace limited NFT sale. I'm not sure when like the marketplace wherein you will be able to sell your NFTs will be open, but I guess it will be open sometime from Q4 to Q3 2022. So this is the token metrics, or basically tokenomics. I call this tokenomics inside the game. So IFO is 25% is allocated in IFO. So project operations will be 10%, game ecosystem will be 30%, 10% will be allocated into the team, 2% will be allocated into the first liquidity, 10% will be allocated into marketing, 8% will be allocated into partners and advisors, and even more. Okay, so this is the team behind Kripto Battle. So the first one is Son Nguyen, which is the chief executive officer and the people, the main person behind this game project in Kardiachain. So he is also a co-founder at Cypher's Game Studio. If you're going to look into the trailer, it has been developed by Cypher's. So I'm not sure if this is available. So this is like the trademark that this has been created by Cypher's. So he is the head of Cypher's Game Studio, which is also a CEO at SS Technology, also a blockchain analyst and investor, and a game content creator. So this is pretty much big. You actually don't want to take this for granted, because this guy is equipped with a lot of knowledge, I will tell you. And the advisor is Lutran, which is also the head of engineering in Kardiachain. So make sure to take note that this is inside Kardiachain network. So they also need someone from Kardiachain, so that this will be integrated and this will probably properly work in Kardiachain as well. So head of development is Duc Nguyen. So I'm not sure if this Son Nguyen is Duc Nguyen are brothers, or Lien Nguyen is their sisters, or something. But there are a lot of Nguyens in I think they are from Vietnam. So the team leader behind Cypher's Game Studio, which is also the chief technology officer at SS Technology, which is also a full stack developer. So these guys over here are like the coders, okay? They are the coders, and they will be the one who will create the project. So Lin Nguyen is the chief business officer, which is also the brand manager. If you are unaware about what brand manager is doing, they are helping like the project, or to help to establish the brand of the project. So that's my basic understanding on brand manager. And marketing will be Vien Tram. Full stack developer is also Lan Ha and Dang Nguyen. So there are three full stack developers here. And this is the investors and partners of Kripto Battle. So first one is BecoSwap, also Kardiachain, VNDC, which is the stable coin, Kardia Ventures, and even VNDC Ventures. So you will be able to find some questions, if you have some, into their quick Q&A session last September 14, 2021 with Kripto Galaxy Battle team. So this is, they are having an AMA with Lutran, with Nguyen Vuson, which is the founder and CEO at Cypher's Game Studio. So there are a lot of questions here. So there are more than 52 questions that you might need, and you might like have an answers into it. So make sure to check this one out. I'm also going to put this one into the description box below, so that you will be able to check and look forward into the game, and also things that you actually want to know if I haven't like discussed it really well as well. So this is everything. So again, this will be available on Android, iOS, and PC soon. And they do have a Telegram group, which I'm also going to show to you. Let me just give me guys a few more seconds for me to be able to prompt it into the screen. I'm just adjusting it. So this is the Kripto Galaxy Battle official. This is the official Telegram group of Kripto Galaxy Battle. So make sure to check this one out, and also join, so that you will be able to ask more questions if you do have. And also these people, even Nguyen Vuson, are also answering these kind of questions actively inside their Telegram group. So make sure to check this one as well. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another and awesome updates, and see you on the next video.